emails shouldn't all be getting the cold shoulder. Between the content and the technical stuff, there are so many questions around what's affecting the performance of your email campaigns. If only there was a tool that helped you improve your cold email deliverability and start getting your emails in the right inboxes. Today, introducing SendNow. SendNow is best for marketing agencies, SaaS, small businesses. SendNow is alternative to Lemlist, Mixmax, Outreach. SendNow is a cold email outreach tool with features for enhanced deliverability and cold email automation. Send emails from multiple accounts. SendNow lets you view all your emails from a unified inbox, so you can manage campaigns between multiple accounts without any headaches. You'll be able to automate email sequences, putting cold outreach campaigns and lead nurturing on autopilot. Store unlimited contacts. SendNow lets you store an unlimited number of contacts with complete historical data for each one. That means you'll never have to delete or lose track of a contact. The Contacts dashboard gives you a quick glance at which campaigns contacts have been a part of and how they've engaged with your emails. Add unlimited collaborators. This tool makes it easy to invite unlimited collaborators in each workspace and assign them custom roles, status, and permissions. Create separate workspaces for each client with complete data isolation to keep your work organized and secure between projects. Automatically reconnect any disconnected email accounts. SendNow automatically attempts to reconnect email accounts that disconnect and move up your campaign sequences. You'll get notified immediately if any inboxes fail to send or sync. No need to worry about disconnecting for long periods of time. You can even use the email validator tool to verify contacts and improve your email list quality. Access to SendNow. All future Segway Plan updates. If plan name changes, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all accompanying updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. DPR compliant. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. SendNow pricing plan. One-time purchase of $59. Reach out to 3,000 unique people per month. 500 email verifications. One time. Unlimited workspaces. Unlimited team members users. Unlimited contact storage. Unlimited email sending. Get SendNow lifetime access today, only $59. Link in description below. Your cold emails